You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. These body baby.
Rosie, guess what today is? It's my birthday. Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Vika Lana Wasteland, and I'm happy. Why? I got some birthday hair. Yes, I do. So this is a new unit by Outré. Before we get into this video and all the specs, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, share the video with your family and your friends, boo. Drop your girl a comment down below. This is KAMALIA. This is part of the Melted Hairline Collection by who? Our boos at Outré. That's who. Shameless plug. Check the care card for the playlist, boo. And BaeBAY. Ew. Okay, Miss KAMALIA. Okay, there we go. So there's your parting space. And then of course we do have this lovely extra lace in the front, comb in the back. And of course she has the elastic band, baby. You like that, don't you? Yeah.
Sexy love.
Trying so hard not to customize this anymore, but I have to. I'm just gonna pluck a very tiny bit out of this unit. Dang it. Okay. I'm trying really hard not to pleaty plug anything out of this unit, but I have to. Keep on loving till it goes back down. And I don't know what I'd do if I would lose your touch. That's why I'm always keeping you around, my sexy love. Listen, okay? She's giving me a little Klingon action, but I can fix that. Listen. Hold on. The fact that we are in BTU season Y'all know BTU season. AC is BTU season. This BaeBAY. BaeBAY. Yes. So let me go ahead, turn off Big Bertha. This is probably the best hairline out of the Melted Hairline Collection. And guess what? They did not forget the ear tabs this time, boo. I think since I did like the earlier units like Martina, I think Danita, KAMALIA, you know, those definitely gave us that melted hairline look, and they brought it back. So thank you, Outré. Definitely appreciate that, boo. Whoever you got, hair plucker, do not change. Because yeah, I'm definitely pleased with the outcome for the lace. I am getting just a couple of lifts here and there. BTU season, do not judge me. So, you know, sitting under these lights and, you know, sweating, it happens. But she is still laying flat, baby. Really good job. However, this lace did give me a little bit of a hard time. Okay, we had a little struggle street. I did have to go a little heavy on the powder just to get this to blend. If you are a darker complexion, that was my son you heard, by the way. So if you are a darker complexion, keep that in mind. You will have to kind of finesse it. And, you know, you're going to have to put some elbow grease into that lace, girl, to get it to lay. She's doing a little Humpty dance up top, you know. She can dance a little. But I did go ahead and flatten it out just a little bit. Nothing that you need to see on camera. But, baby, yeah. Ow. She is full. She is B-Day hair. And guess what? I'm a little underwhelmed, Outré. I really wanted like some volume. I wanted like some you know, some diva hair. And this is like, you know, this is subtle, meek. I just have a salad type of diva. You know, a little bit more of a layer here, but I think, you know, that's just me being petty. I think they really came through. They came through, baby. Yeah. But baby, ew, ew, ew. Do you see me? Do you see me, boo? I'm saying, who's gonna clock you, boo? Was that clockable? No, I ain't clockable. So if you are interested in checking out the information for Miss KAMALIA, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Thank you so much, ladies, for tuning in to this review. If you are new to the channel, ring that bell. Get all post notifications, subscribe to the channel, and of course, let's chat it up in the comments down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Thank you so much for this ride. It has definitely been a pleasure. Keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.